Hello friends, in this AV we are going to talk about the numericals of chapter 6, that is spectrum of class 10 ICSE physics. Here we would be talking about the numericals of exercise 6b. The first numerical says an electromagnetic wave has a frequency of 500 megahertz and a wavelength of 60 centimeter. We need to calculate the speed of the wave and we have to name the medium through which it is traveling. Obviously the medium is air, and here to calculate the speed of the wave, again we are going to use the same formula that we used for solving the numericals of exercise 6a. Now what we have to keep in mind here is they have given the frequency in terms of megahertz. So we will convert it to hertz by multiplying it with 10 raised to the power 6. And then the wavelength is given in centimeter. So we need to convert it to meters. And then we can solve the numerical. So here I have written the given things. Frequency is 500 hertz. So we convert it to, 500 megahertz. We convert it to hertz by multiplying it with 10 raised to the power 6. Now we leave it like that. The wavelength is equal to 60 centimeter. So we divide it by 100. We get it 0.6 meters. Now speed of wave is equal to frequency multiplied by wavelength. Again we are using the same formula that we learnt in class 9. So we put the value of frequency, that is 500 into 10 raised to the power 6, multiply it with the wavelength, that is 0.6 meters. So this gives the answer. And of course the electromagnetic wave is traveling through air. So this is all for the first numerical. The second question says the wavelength of X-rays is 0.01 angstrom. We have to calculate its frequency and we have to state the assumptions made, if any. So they have already given in the question that the assumption is speed of the X-ray is same as the speed of light, that is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. So here we have written the given things. The wavelength is 0.01 angstrom and speed of X-ray is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. Now this angstrom we will convert it to meters by multiplying it with 10 raised to the power minus 10. So we have the formula speed of light is equal to frequency multiplied by wavelength. So therefore frequency is equal to speed of light divided by wavelength. We have the values. We put the value of speed of light, that is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second, divided by the wavelength, that is 0.01 multiplied by 10 raised to the power minus 10. So why we multiplied here with 10 raised to the power minus 10? Because the wavelength which is given to us is in angstrom. This is in angstrom. So to convert it to meters we have to multiply it with 10 raised to the power minus 10. So after doing the calculation, the frequency is 300 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 18. Minus 10 going up becomes plus 10. So 10 raised to the power 8 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 10. So 10 plus 8, 18. Now these two zeros also we take and write it as the power of 10. So it increases by 2 because we have two zeros, and we get the frequency as 3 multiplied by 10 raised to the power 20 hertz. This is the frequency. So that's all we have in this AV for you. These were the numericals of exercise 6b. Happy learning. God bless.